Sitchin told the truth about the Anunnaki and the intelligent beings. I am of their offspring. And by now, you should know what clan I'm with, but life is a repeat. All materialize from the universe. We're playing a game, and I see we got They put our bodies here. They sent our spirits here, and motherfuckers got all lazy. We used to be our creator's children until they took a look at us and they tired of their little toys after they got their gold in charge to take care of their property. And the greedy humans got fucking motherfuckers started erasing shit like it was never there. That's why they're looking out in space all of the time, all scared of that ass kicking from out of nowhere. They know the human body isn't anything but a shell. Once your spirit exits it, you become Sitchin's show and tell. He knows exactly what he's saying, because Earth is not your home, like a battlefield for those motherfuckers people wrong. Pay attention in your sleep. It is there that our spirits You'll find out that you have the power to knock evil off its feet. Try it. Okay?